the stock pit. I'll tell you what stocks I like. Now you might say, well, Alpesh, you're talking a big game. Got a big mouth saying that regular people can be better than fund managers. Well, no, I think they can learn a bit more, so they're more in control. So the FT said the same thing to me in 2004. They said, well, you say you can be good. How do I know you can? So they ran a competition over 12 months. And at that time, I didn't have a hedge fund, didn't have any of that, which is regular bloke like you guys. And they ran a competition with other fund managers. And I said to the FT, well, when I beat them all, will you please put my face on the front page of your business section? And when I did beat them all, regular retail guy like you guys, so it can be learnt, okay? They did do that. And you know who came 17th? One above the editor's cat. They literally had the editor's cat there to see if the editor's cat could beat fund managers. The editor's cat picked levels of stocks to pick based on random numbers. Okay? The editor's cat nearly beat Neil Woodford, who gets paid billions, or did, before everybody else discovered that he's rubbish. It's the truth. So you might think, well, how the hell did they get away with that? Marketing. You don't think fund managers with those CVs that make them seem unapproachable don't do marketing? That's marketing. That's why I want you to be aware, and it's